Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Chrome. Click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. Once done, use the Settings search box and type Notifications so you land directly on the right panel. Make sure to have the site open if you want a quick toggle for a specific page. This first step takes you from general browser controls to the exact notification settings. It's faster than hunting through menus and prepares you to adjust site-level permissions next. You'll now see notifications under Site Settings. Open it and scan the allowed list for sites sending alerts. Click the three-dot icon beside any site to block or remove it. Blocking stops notifications immediately, while removing resets permission, so the site must ask again. If a persistent site reappears, clear cookies for that domain. Once you change a few entries, test by reloading a site to confirm its permission state, because visual confirmation prevents surprises later. To finish, consider toggling the main switch that controls whether sites can even ask to send notifications. Turning it off stops new permission prompts. If a site still pushes alerts, clear its site data or reset permissions for that domain in Site Settings. Make sure to restart Chrome after changes. If notifications persist, inspect Extensions and System Notification Settings. Sometimes an extension or OS-level permission is the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.